Inside number formatter, we have a perform math operation action event. So all you can do is you can basically specify the numbers right here, and you can even specify multiple numbers by separating them by comma, and then you can specify the operation that you want to perform. For example, whether you want to add those numbers, whether you want to subtract those numbers, whether you want to multiply them, divide them, or make them negative. For example, let me just show you. I just entered two numbers which happens to be 12 and 33, and you can just click on save and send a test request. And you can see both the numbers 12 and 33 are added, and the math operation is showing the result right here. Similarly, if you want to apply multiple number, you can also apply multiple numbers right here, and all the numbers will be added together and the result will be shown right here as well. Similarly, you can subtract the number. This way 12 will be subtracted from 33 and negative 33 and negative 45. So just check this out. This gives you minus 66. Then you can multiply all the three numbers together as well, and this gives you 17,820. You can divide the numbers, and lastly you can make them all negative. So 12, 33 and 45 will be negative as minus 12, minus 33 and minus 45. There is one more thing that you can do. Just in case you do not want to put the values statically right here, you can also map the value which is coming up from any trigger step or any action step that is just above the number formatter step. For example, in this case, we are getting a webhook trigger and we are getting a currency value which happens to be 1000. Okay. And just in case if you want to add that 1000 number to the very same static values as well, all you can do is you can just map the value which is coming from the step which is just above it. So this is the value that we have to map. So all you have to do is just place the cursor right here, click this button and map the value which is coming up from the webhook. So all you have to do is just click on currency 1000 right here, and 12, 33 and 1000 will be added together with the operation add. Do not worry about the key that you see right here. Only the value which is 1000 will be added in the number 12 and 33. Let me just show you how it is done. So we have implemented 12, 33 and 1000, and you can see when we clicked on save and send a test request, you can see the result is 1045 right here. So again, this is how you use the math operation method. For any advanced mathematical calculations, we also have spreadsheet formulas. Within spreadsheet formulas, we have more than 300 plus mathematical functions that you can implement and apply within your workflows. And with the help of spreadsheet formulas, you can basically do any kind of mathematical calculation that you can imagine. So let me just move you on the next step, which will be spreadsheet formulas. And thank you for watching this video.